This 2012 BMW X6 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. X6 35i Sport Package Premium Package Cold Weather Package Ham and Hood Carbon Fiber Interior Carbon Fiber Mirrors Carbon Fiber Rear Diffuser Carbon Fiber Rear Spoiler 22 and QUOT Boss and VF Series Wheels Rotora Braking System Meisterschaft Exhaust Soft Closed Doors Navigation System Rear View Camera Heated Front Seat Heated Steering Wheel Comfort Access Front Parking Sensors Rear Parking Sensors Rear Side Sunshades 3.8L VOHC Twin Power i6 Engine 8-Speed Sport Automatic Transmission X-Drive All-Wheel Drive System Keyless and Tri-Keyless Start Power Trunk Opener Cruise Control Power Adjustable Steering Wheel Power Automatic Windows Power Door Locks White Exterior Black Leather Interior All-Season Floor Mats. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 BMW X6 35i Hammond is no exception. We provide. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.